Hey everyone, Trick and Nail here. Welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday night, October 28th, so I thought I'd sneak down here a day early. They're calling for rain in the forecast on Sunday, 70 to 80% chance, and it keeps on fluctuating, so you never know, obviously, but it's getting close to that magical time. Halloween's another few days away, but it's had a buddy had one on video that was grunting and everything, and so they're starting to get ready. The weather is real mild, unfortunately, but we can't control Mother Nature, obviously. So anyway, I'm down here settled in the camper. It's probably 9:30, so I'd rather get down here the night before than to get up really super early and be scrambling around trying to get in here and get dressed and get the four-wheeler out and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, I hope I can get on them in the morning, see some horns for a change. But I'm gonna give it the college try, of course, and see what I can do. So y'all follow along with me. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and stay tuned for some action. All right, everybody. I've had about all the fun I can stand. Two things happened, this last couple of days. It's overcasted and it's northeast winds, and I don't do good on either one. I mean, I've been down at this property for 11 years, and every time it's overcasted is a big thing for me. I don't do good at all. I mean, I see a few deer, but it's just dead. And then, of course, the east winds, too. If the winds are from the east, the fish bite the least, right, buddy? Anyway, we saw some deer. I saw some deer. Nobody else was down here, but it's fun. It's not quite prime time yet, so I'm just going to kind of watch the weather and gauge it, try to get down here and hunt. But the weather's still pretty mild, so it's just going to be a matter of getting lucky. So, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm doing my best to try to bring y'all a kill scene on video, but it's got to happen, I mean, I ain't going to shoot something I don't want, so... Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. God bless each and every one of you. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about me if you like the videos. This is Trick Nell saying so long, everybody, from the Peach State of Georgia.